Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays from my Fancy Nancy, and today we are in a powder bath. I know powder baths are meant to be dramatic and luxurious. I love to make them feel that way, enclosed wallpaper or something fancy. This is a great way to do that with wainscoting. It's a very sophisticated look that they have going on with the black and the paneling, and then they cap it at the top like a double tiered crown molding. So this is also an idea that you can do in the bathroom. It's easy to wash, especially if you use like high gloss or anything like that. It's easy to maintain. Looks super sophisticated and just gives it extra drama feel for a powder bath. So I hope everyone is living the best